Good afternoon, Sanvi Boyer. Tuti is present, then Samruddhi is present, then Santosh is present, Raj Lakshmi, Tripathi is present, Shah is present. Okay, good afternoon to all of you. Let us start. What am I doing? What am I doing? Give answer. What am I doing? Okay, what am I doing? Give answer. Hands. Now, now, now. Hands over. Now what I am doing? Neck. Okay, so what am I doing now? Next, what am I doing? Hands neck over, then fingers. Okay, what am I doing? After that, after fingers, mouth, lips. Okay. So our lesson is very interesting. That is regarding body movements. Okay. Body movements. Now to study this lesson, it is very important to know about internal organs, external organs, to know about body system and to know about function of the body system. Okay. So can you give me some example of body systems? Okay, we already dealt with this. So can you give some example of body system? Example of body system one by one. Give example. Yes. Start giving. Okay. Urinary system. Urinary system. Someone has given urinary system. Okay, I agree. Other digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system. Okay. Digestive system. Respiratory system, nervous system. Okay. Then next. Okay. Digestive system over, then muscular system. Someone has written yes. Muscular system. Then the next respiratory system. Respiratory system I already wrote. Next, think and give more answer. Nervous system I already wrote. Okay, start thinking and give answer. Urinary system I already wrote. Nervous system I already wrote. Then digestive system, endocrine system. Okay, then skeletal system. Skeletal system is also there. Some more example, yes. Skeletal system is also there. Okay, endocrine system over, then circulating system. Then reproductive system. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, anything left? Now we will find that this system they are made up of internal organs. Okay, some internal organ, they work together to carry out particular job. So we will find that we will call it as a organs, internal organs working together, coordinating with each other and carrying out particular job. We call it as a body system. Okay, all these are body system. Different body systems are there. Urinary system, for example, urinary system you know very well. Kidneys are there. Okay, two kidneys are there on the back of our just above the breast, each on one side of vertebral column backbone. There are two bean-shaped kidneys are there. They are the most important excretory organs of our body. Then pipe-like structures connected to them, ureter and bag-like structure, urinary bladder. Okay, so this you will find what are there: kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, urinary bladder. Okay, that is we call it as a which system? Urinary system. That is doing the important function of removing the waste from our body. Lot of waste produced in our body due to many chemical reactions taking place in our body. Okay, so these waste which are produced, if they are not thrown outside, it will what will happen? Toxic effects will be there. Okay, then it is very important to remove this waste, and that work is done by urinary system. These three organs: kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder. So all they are involved in this work. Kidneys, these are the main excretory organ. They are filtering the blood. Okay, then the blood, pure blood again gets circulated in our body. Okay, then excess water along with the urea, uric acid, ammonia, it is going from ureter, then urinary bladder, and it is thrown out in the form of urine. Okay, now digestive system we already discussed. What are the different organs in the digestive system? Mouth, food pipe, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus. Okay, all these are the different organs of the digestive system. Along with that, liver is there, pancreas is there, gallbladder is there. Okay, all these glands, they are secreting some juices for the digestion of the food. Okay, so they are doing the work of digesting the food. That is conversion of food in such a form that it can be absorbed, it can be assimilated in the cell to give out carbon dioxide, water vapor and energy that we are using to do work. Okay, so that work it is done by digestive system. That is having which parts are there: mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, small intestine, then large intestine, rectum, anus, and glands such as liver, pancreas, gallbladder. All these organs, they are working together, coordinating with each other, and they are carrying out the work of digestion of food, that is conversion of food in such a form that it can be absorbed by the blood, it can be assimilated by absorbed, assimilated, that is it can be oxidized by oxygen to give out energy, carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water vapor we are throwing outside. Energy we are using to do what? Okay, that is this one, digestive system. Like that, urinary system or respiratory system, you know that it consists of nose, windpipe, lungs. Okay, respiratory system. It consists of nose, windpipe, lungs. What we are doing? We are taking in oxygen. Oxygen is going from windpipe to the lungs. Then it is carried to the cells. The food is oxidized to give carbon dioxide, water vapor, and energy. Okay. Then the deoxygenated blood again carried to the lungs. Then we exhale carbon dioxide. That was the process of inhalation and exhalation along with the oxidation of food to give carbon dioxide, water vapor and energy. That work is done by respiratory system. Okay. Then we will find digestive system is there, respiratory system is there, then circulatory system. It consists of heart, blood vessels. Okay, in blood vessels there are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Okay, this circulatory system, what is their work? Their work is to pump the blood throughout the pumping, like motor pump pumping water in different blocks in our houses. Okay, so in the same manner here, the heart is pumping blood. It is the pumping organ which pumps blood to different cells of our body. That is the work of circulatory system. Like that, you will find in this lesson we are concerned with skeletal system, nervous system, and muscular system. These three systems help us to move from one place to another. For example, I am moving from one place to another. So, three systems are involved in it. What are they? Skeletal system, nervous system, and muscular system. Okay. So, first we will study about the skeletal system. I already told you the functions of skeletal system. The internal organs in our body, how are they protected? For example, our heart, it is protected by rib cage. Our lungs are protected by rib cage. So skeletal system, what they are doing? They are protecting internal organs of our body. What if, for example, inside the cranium, this skull, what is there? Brain is there. If I fall down, what protects my brain? Cranium or skull protects my brain, isn't it? Okay, so on bike, what we are using? Extra protection, again helmet we are using. So who is protecting what? Which organ is protecting our brain? Skull is protecting our brain from damage. If we fall down somewhere and if we hit somewhere, what will happen? Damage may happen. Okay, so that is protected by our skull or cranium. Then, like that, we will find this first function is skeletal system. It protects internal organ. Protects internal organ. then we will find if skeletal system is not there, what will happen? And my body can stand erect like this? No, it will collapse, isn't it? Because it needs certain rigid, strong structure to stand erect like this. Okay, so it gives strength and shape to the body. By particular shape, it is due to the particular arrangement of bones. Okay, and therefore we will find different species like dog is having particular shape, elephant is having particular shape, lion is having particular shape. Why? Because the skeleton is having particular arrangement. The bones of the skeleton is having particular arrangement. So it is this particular arrangement in a particular way, or we will find this it is giving us particular shape. So both they are arranged in a particular way that gives particular shape to the organism. So skeletal system gives shape to our body, it gives strength to the body. Okay. So along with the protecting internal organs of our body, skeletal system also gives particular shape to body, and it also gives strength to the body. Okay, so you can say skeletal system gives shape and strength to the body, and strength to the body. Now, can I walk like this without skeletal system? I am moving from one place to another. I am moving left, I am moving right, I am moving my hand, I am moving my neck, I can move my legs, I can move from one place to another. Why this is possible? Why it is possible? It is possible due to skeletal system. Okay, it is possible due to the bones present in our body. It is possible due to particular kinds of joints which are present in between the bones in our body. For example, I am moving my hand is up, down, up, down. Why this movement is possible? Due to the bones of my hand. And second, due to the joints which are present here, this is my lower arm, this is my upper arm. There is joint present in between this. And upper arm and to the body, there is joint present in between this. So it is due to the joints and the bones, that is due to skeletal system. I can move my body part. I can move as a whole from one place to another. This is possible only due to skeletal system. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay. So, skeletal system help us to move from one place to another. It helps us to move the body parts. It protects the internal organs of our body, and it gives particular shape to the body, to the framework of our body. It gives strength to our body. All these functions are done by skeletal system. So it is one of the most important system of our body. Okay. Now it is quite clear to all of you that organs they work together to do particular function to form organ system. Okay, and skeletal system, nervous system, and muscular system help us to move from one place to another, and these systems are involved in body movement. Okay, so skeletal system it is doing the function of protecting the internal organs of our body. It is the framework of our body. It gives particular shape to the body. It helps us to move from one place to another, and it also helps us to move our body parts. And it gives rigidity, strength, particular shape to the body. All this is possible due to skeletal system. Now we will find that I am moving my hand up, down, up, down, up, down. moving my hand round clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, right. This anti-clockwise, clockwise, front, back. This also up, down, forward, backward. This movement of both hands, backward, clockwise, anti-clockwise. I can move my head front, back, left side, right side. I can move, rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Why this is possible? Why the movement of these body parts are possible? Why this is possible? Give answer. Why I can move my head? Why I can move my hand? Lower arm like this. Forward, backward. Why I can rotate my shoulder? Why all this is possible? Think and give me the answer. Why this is possible? Give answer. Skeleton and joint. Janvi, you have very correct answer. Very good, beta. This is possible due to our bones that form the skeleton of our body. There are 206 bones are there. They join at different points. They meet each other at different location to form joint. Okay, see this joint and these bones, they help us to move from one place to another and to move our body parts. Okay, you told very correct that it is the bones and joint, that is skeleton of our body, that help move our body parts, and as a whole we can move from one place to another. Why we move from one place to another? In search of food, water, shelter, to escape from enemies. Suppose dog runs after you, you will stand there only. What you will do? To protect yourself, you will move from one place to another. For example, you are very thirsty. Will you stay in one place, or you will go to the water cooler? You will go towards water cooler to drink water in school. Okay, suppose you are very hungry. So what you will do? You will go towards the food to eat the food. Food, water, it's raining outside heavily. What you will do? You will go at home. So we move from one place to another in search of food, water, shelter, okay, to escape from enemies. So this movement is possible only due to our skeletal system. This movement is possible due to these 206 bones. They are meeting each other at different locations. Okay, that is known as joint. You know that my lower arm joined to the upper arm. The bone of this lower arm is joined to the upper arm here at this point. This location, this is joint. This hand, it is joined to the lower arm at this position. This is joint. This entire arm is joined to my body at this position. This is joint. So this is my head, it is joined to the body. This is joint. Okay. So legs, they are joined to my body at by this location, that is joint. So how can we define joint? Can you tell the definition? It is a location at which two bones they meet each other. For example, this lower arm and upper arm, they are meeting each other at this location. So this is a joint. Lower arm and this hand, it is meeting at this position. So this is a joint. The entire arm joining to the body at this location. So this is a joint. My head, it is joining to the body at this location. It is a joint. Okay, legs, they are joining at this location. So it is a joint. Upper leg, thigh, lower leg joint at this position. It is a joint. Lower leg joint to the feet at the ankle joint. So like that we will find the joints are the places, are the location where two bones they meet each other. Okay, so there are different types of joints we are going to study in this lesson. Okay, so first of all, today we are going to study about ball and socket joint. Okay, now see my upper arm and see this body. Here we will find there is a joint known as ball and socket joint. We will find ball-like structure gets fixed in the cup-like structure. Ball-like structure is there like this. It is fixed in a cup-like structure. So this is a ball-like structure. This is a cup-like structure. So like that we will find here. We will find there is a ball and socket joint that allows my hand to move forward, to move backward, to rotate in clockwise direction, to rotate in anti-clockwise direction, sideways also in clockwise direction, in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, all this movement it is possible due to the ball which is freely moving inside the socket. It is quite free to move everywhere. Forward, backward, left side, right side, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. All this movement is possible because this ball it is very freely moving here in the socket. That's why this ball and socket joint it allows movement everywhere. Forward, backward, left side, right side, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Here also clockwise, anti-clockwise. Every movement is possible due to the freely moving top portion, top bulging portion of the upper arm which forms ball-like structure, and here you find in the shoulder there is a socket-like structure. In this socket-like structure, this ball can move freely to allow you to move your hand anywhere. That is called ball and socket joint. In your hip also, you can move your hand, legs forward, backward, freely. Left side, right side. You can rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. That I can't show here in camera. So that is not knee, Santosh. Knee is different kind of joint. I am talking about hip joint. In the hip joint, we will find our entire leg. It is fixed to our body here at the hip joint, which is the ball and socket joint. And like our hands, okay, our legs can also move. Okay, so that is also in hip joint is also ball and socket joint. Shoulder joint is also ball and socket joint. Okay, ball in the socket, we will find freely. We can move freely to allow your body part to move freely anywhere, forward, backward, sideways, clockwise, anti-clockwise, rotating movement. That you can do your legs in hip joint. You can move at any point. Your hands, arm, you can move at any point, anywhere. That is possible due to the free movement of the ball in the socket of the other bone. That's why it is called ball and socket joint. Understand? So this is ball and socket joint which is present in shoulder and the hip. Other joints are also there. For example, now see this one. This is elbow. I can move here like a door, like the hinges of the door. Suppose this is the hinge of the door. How many hinges are there in the door? I can see 1, 2, 3 hinges are there. So So just think this is one of the hinges. So it can move at a time at one direction. Closing door, opening door. Closing door, opening door. Why it is possible? Because hinges in the door that will allow the door to close, to open, to close, to open, to close, to open. The hinges. It will, while opening, it will move like this. The door will move like this. It will move like this. The door will come like this. You can see the hinges of the door. So the joint in the elbow, it just acts as like a hinges of the door. So we call it as a hinge joint. We call it as a hinge joint. So it will move, it will not move back. It will move at this close, open. This is forward, backward. At one time, one movement only, like this. Or either both event. Like just like a door. Closing door, opening door. Closing door, opening door. Like this. This is one, this is the other wooden plank. Close, close, open. So it is just like the hinges of the door. So it is called the hinge joint, which allow one movement either backward or forward. So it is called a hinge joint. It is also present in your knee. Your knee also you will find you can move either at a time forward or at a back. Forward. Back. So these are hinge joint which is present in elbow and the knee. Elbow and knee which joint is present? Hinge joint is present. And in the shoulder, in the hip, what kind of joint is present? Ball and socket joint is present. Okay. So you start doing practically at your home. You will get idea. Now the third one you will find. I already told you head. It is joined to our body by neck. This joint is there. Pivot joint. Pivot joint, a rod-like structure in a ring. So this ring can move freely. Forward, backward, can rotate. Okay, that is pivot joint. So already time is over because your maths class will start. So what we studied today? We studied that first point. Internal organs, they work together. Some internal organs, they work together to form the body system. For example, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus, along with the glands, liver, pancreas, gallbladder, they form, these internal organs work together to form what? Digestive system. Okay, so today you read the lesson. Now I am ending up.